Alright, so we got this big huge gas tank on the bike now for like 24 hours of run time. Whoopsie! Hopefully the client doesn't see that. Alright, well this thing's already received about 4 or 5 very, very light coats.
I am sure.
Kind of like thusly. Step into the paint booth. It's gold. Gold. Looks like a big bug. Rothko is hard. This is more the look I'm going for. I went with gold because it feels like gold really hides blemishes well. I don't know what it is. It's just a dazzling color, I guess. I'm gonna put about 10 coats of clear latex over the top of that. I did puck it up a little bit. Because this is for the brake. 6 mil. Fucking God, go through there, you fucker. Problem. Because there's a sticker on it. Ugh. No washer, just goes right on. Oh. Can't read the writing. There we go. That's. Oh yeah. There we go.